yogis. I'm so happy you're here. Roll out your mat, take a deep breath in and out. Let's get started.
Lie comfortably on your back. Raise your hips upward and clasp your hands beneath you while deep breaths open your chest and release heaviness, fatigue, and tension. Kneel tall and reach back toward your heels, opening your chest fully while deep breaths move through your body and gently release emotional tension and tightness. Flow gently between rounding and arching your back with every breath, easing tightness through your spine and shoulders while bringing softness, focus, and calm into your mind. Bend your knees deeply, reach your arms overhead, and hold steady as controlled breathing builds warmth, strength, confidence, and calm energy throughout your entire body. Rest your body softly over your thighs. Stretch your arms ahead and place your forehead down as slow breathing creates comfort, relaxation, and a deep sense of inner calm. Rest on your stomach. Lift your chest softly upward and open through your heart space as slow breathing helps reduce stress, emotional pressure, and anxious energy. Press firmly through your hands and feet. Lift your hips upward and let your head relax naturally while each deep breath lengthens your spine and releases built-up tension. Stand tall with your feet grounded beneath you. Relax your shoulders gently and breathe with calm awareness as your body feels stable, centered, and peacefully connected to the present moment. Step forward into a strong lunge, lift your arms overhead, and open your chest confidently as steady breathing fills your body with grounding energy and quiet inner strength. Widen your stance, bend your front knee deeply, and extend your arms outward while your focused gaze and smooth breathing create balance, confidence, and calm concentration. Stretch your body wide, lower one hand toward your leg, and lift the other upward as deep breathing opens your body gently and clears away stress and mental tension. Balance steadily on one leg. Place your foot against your inner leg and bring your hands together as calm breathing helps you discover stillness, focus, and peaceful stability. Wrap your arms and legs together carefully. Balance with steady focus, and breathe slowly as your attention sharpens and your mind becomes calm, clear, and fully centered. Sit tall with your legs extended. Fold forward slowly from your hips, and breathe deeply as your back relaxes and your thoughts soften into quiet calmness and ease. Support your body in one strong line. Engage your core gently, and maintain smooth breathing as you develop steady strength, focus, resilience, and quiet mental determination. That was awesome! Make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye!